Rauno, täna ülimagus 2-0 võit Kalju üle, et siin kahjuks oli pikale veninud see nii-öelda kehv seeria Kalju vastu, et kuidas täna väljakul mäng välja tuli?
Ma arvan meeskondlikult väga hea mäng, taktikaliselt, võitluslikult ja palliga ma arvan ka väga okei mäng, et ma arvan, et me väärisime täna 3 punkti.
Kui vaadata, ütleme, täna oli selline mäng, et mõlemal pool tegelikult oli neid väravõimalusi, meie kasutasime enda omad ära, suutsime taga 0 hoida, et kas oli võib-olla pisiasjadesse see mäng täna kinni?
Pisiasjades ja ma arvan, et ka realiseerimises ja ma arvan ka taktikaliselt, et me mõnikord andsime teadlikult initsiatiivi Kaljule ära ja nad ei osanud, ma arvan, sellega toime tulla.
Teise poolaja keskel või ütleme sellise 70 minuti kandis tundus, et teie parem füüsiline ettevalmistus siis pääses maksvusele, et jõudsime igale poole natukene sammu varem, et kuidas see platsi peal endale mulje, mis jäi?
Ja suur kiitus kogu meeskonnale, kes võitles iga sentimeetri eest ja oli näha, et meeskond on füüsiliselt heas konditsioonis ja ma arvan, et meil oli ka hea emotsioon, mille pealt võidelda.
Enne euromänge kindlasti hea tuju siit edasi minna, et kuidas ise ennast tunned, nüüd on takkanud väravaid tulema, et vorm läheb õigel ajal, õiges suunas vaatan.
Jah, et ma arvan, meeskonnale annab see palju enesekindlust juurde ja väga hea emotsiooni, mille pealt on hea mängida euromänge ja loodame seal kõike paremat ja enda vormiga olen ka hetkel rahul.
Aitäh sulle ja edukaid mänge! Arno, today, especially before the European games, do you agree that we deserve to win today?
No, I have to say it was a hard game because Nema took a lot of risk and make it very difficult for us, also in a physical way, especially in the first half. So it was for me a great game because we were giving a lot of resistance also to the opponent. So every player, doesn't matter if it was younger or a little bit older, because we don't have too much old players, but was really fighting for every meter on the field. And that was for me the most important thing. And after that, after this fight, we were also able to play some moments okay, and these moments were okay to win the game.
In the second half, it seemed that our physical game was better and our stamina was better than Kalju. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree, but I have to say that Kalju used also a lot of energy in the first half. So it was also like this, that they pushed us so hard that I knew already that this is almost impossible to do 90 minutes. So it was for us also a thing to stay calm, to give resistance, to win our duels also on the small space, to come out quickly. But I knew also that on the end of the game, let's say the last 20 minutes, we should have an overload on physical energy, and it was, I think, also like that.
Today there was a Europa League draw as well. We got Slovenians Domžale. Do you know about this club, or are we prepared?
We are prepared, but I don't know anything. So I saw it also today, but I skipped it out of my mind. So I wanted to be really focused on the game today, because it's competition and it's very important to keep these results okay. But from now on, I think even tonight already, I try to find information about this club, and we start to prepare for that. So let's say first step is Thursday. We play here a special game at home. Even then we have to think about the physical part of the game. So I'm really happy that we have so many players. So we have really 22, 23 good players. So these players, they have to do it on Thursday already in preparation to a game later.
And your expectations for Domžale?
For sure, a very, very difficult game. For sure, it will be close to each other. I don't expect that they have a much stronger team as we have, but I expect also that the Slovenian competition is really okay competition. So I don't expect that it will be extreme difficult, but I expect also that with all respect for the opponent, that it will be a normal difficult game.
Okay, thank you and congratulations.
Okay.